These satisfying shorts are getting hundreds of thousands of views across YouTube. A couple of weeks back, I stumbled upon one of these shorts and they were so good that I can't stop watching them, and I am damn sure that you would love them too. So today I will teach you exactly how you can make these shorts on your mobile. It doesn't matter if you are a 10 years old kid or 50 years old grandpa, you can easily make these shorts, and you need only 15 minutes to make these shorts. So let's get our script. We will use Deep AI for getting our script. Okay, so here type generate me an engaging and thrilling short story in one paragraph. It will start spitting out the script. Once you have the script, copy up the script and paste it in a notepad. Now for voiceover, you can either use 11 Labs, but if you are using free version, don't forget to give 11 Labs proper attribution. Or you can also use CapCut's voiceover, which are 100% free to use. Go to CapCut and click on text. Copy few lines of your script and paste them in the text box. Click done and then click on text to speech and select any voiceover character, then click on tick. Then delete the text box and move to the end of the voiceover and again click on text and again copy next few lines of your script and paste them in the text box and repeat the same process until complete voiceover of your script is ready. Once the voiceover is ready, read the voiceover and remove the silent areas from the voiceover. Then for satisfying clips, go to YouTube and search for satisfying videos, then click on three dots at top right corner and click on search filters. Then select Creative Commons and click on Apply. Now from here download 2 to 3 videos of your choice and then import them in CapCut. After importing all the clips, then from the bar below, select Ratio option and click on 9:16 and zoom each clip on the screen and split out the good parts of the video and delete the rest, then add transitions between each clip one by one. And then to enhance the quality of each clip, go to Adjustments and change out the contrast, saturation, and clarity, and don't use any additional option unless you need it. Then go to Filters and select this clear filter and keep its strength between 85 to 90 and then drag it on the complete timeline. Then go to Text and add text and type your channel name. Then go to Fonts and select Classic and then drag the text on complete timeline and reduce the size of your channel name and place it on the top right corner. Then click on Export and after exporting again import this video in New Project and go to Text and click on Auto Captions and choose any template. Then click on Generate and adjust the size of captions and place them accurately on the screen. After you have arranged the captions, then again export the video in 4K and 50 frames per second. And here our video is ready. Let's see the video first, then we will talk about how to get maximum views on your shorts.
As the sun began to set, a group of 5 friends embarked on a hiking trip through the dense forest. The air was thick with the scent of pine and the sound of rustling leaves filled their ears. Suddenly, they heard a low growl coming from the bushes. Fear gripped them as they realized they were being stalked by a pack of ferocious wolves. They quickened their pace, but soon found themselves trapped in a narrow canyon with no escape. The wolves closed in, their eyes glowing in the darkness. In a heart-pumping race for survival, the friends had to rely on their instincts and each other to outsmart the predators and make it out alive.
For getting maximum views on your shorts, be consistent and be patient and upload your video at different times for a few days and see at which hour your video is getting sudden boost in the views. Then upload at that specific hour daily. Use only 4 to 5 hashtags in your shorts and you will definitely see the results. That was all for today. See ya all soon.